everybody. Magical Vacation Memories. We are in Anaheim. We just checked into our hotel. We're staying at Hotel LuLu, Best Western on Harbor, just out from Disneyland. We are in room 522. Let's go ahead and take a tour of the room. Room 522. So, oh, it's wallpaper. Make it look like tiles. So, first thing in the door, you've got your closet, you've got your ironing board, hangers, and your laundry bag. Okay. And your bathroom. With a cracked countertop in a couple of spots. Nice granite though. Nice big mirror. And then your bathtub, as usual. Lather, body wash, hair wash, cream rinse, soap conditioner. And then you got a little cubby here with a coffee pot and a microwave and your safe. And your big mirror again, welcome home. Then you got your 55-inch LG with your direct TV, 2 beds. Now with the deposits and the parking for 3 nights, we were at $849. 200 of that comes back at the end, so it was $649 for the stay for the 3 nights. So not incredibly horrible, but I mean, there's definitely some cheaper places around. We have stayed at Eden Rock, which was much cheaper. It's nice and close to Disneyland, but still not my favorite.
Walk to Twitter Palace within 5 minutes.
So on here,
depending on the light.
2 plugs, 2 USB.
You see the one over there, Dan?
Haven't yet, nope.
That one's pretty cool over there. Got multiple.
I don't know where the button is, but this one's got 3 plugs, 3 USB-A and a USB-C. So, looks like it's a bit of an older hotel, but not bad nonetheless. Seems pretty decent.
Oh, they look like tiles, but it's actually
yeah,
wallpaper.
That's what I was saying when I came in. I thought it was tiles at first, but it's wallpaper. So
saves a lot of weight.
The faux alligator skin headboard.
Can understand why that's an appeal? Please let us know.
Yeah.
I don't get it.
Yeah, I'm not sure what the point of that is, but somebody thought it was a good idea.
Hey, if you like those animals,
But from here,
that
Desert
direction
Palms
is
right there, and Residence Inn. So right down there is also the convention center where D23 is, and right over there is Disneyland.
And California.
Yes, and California Adventures. So this is Hotel LuLu. There's the pool downstairs. You can see it from our room, and a little fire pit. This kind of reminds me of the LA Hollywood hotel that we stayed at, the pool area. Very similar.
This is just nicer.
So, and that, I think that's a Hyatt next door.
Yes, there's the Hyatt, yeah.
So we'll have to maybe try that one out sometime too. We'll try and get to all of the different hotels in and around here over time. We don't come to California a lot.
This is 2 times we've been here this year, and this is the first.
Yes. D23 we have booked. Which one was it? I want to say it's a Marriott.
Are they going on sale next month?
Yes.
Supposedly?
I'll double check that and let you know.
We're not sure. We're not going to be.
I'll double check that and let you know. Because I know we've already booked our D23 hotel.
Because we didn't want to get screwed over last.
Yeah, we wanted to make sure we found a place. So we weren't left with whatever was left. Yeah, Eden Rock was basically the only thing with anywhere left when we came to D23 last time.
Actually. I really like that. And you can see fireworks from the balcony there.
But yes, so that is a tour of the room. And when we do the grounds tour, I will chime in and let you know where we're staying for D23. So if you have any questions about the room and the hotel, drop a comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, welcome home.